Hi there. As I discussed in the last video that there are lots of affiliate program in the market. So we can just start any of them. And here's the example of one of the affiliate program. And this program is all about the hosting. The company is Hostinger. They have the native dashboard. So let's check their dashboard and all the offers. Recently, I just created this account and I just start promoting their two products. One is their just basic product model, and another is Black Friday. And just I got receive two sales and 14 clicks receive and two conversion. There's did $108 also. You see, their Black Friday payout is 70%. So it's a huge amount of money, and I can just get this amount in my PayPal within 3 days. So this is just a quick start, and with this method, what I'm showing you right now in this course, which is totally depends on you. If you take action, you can get money. It's just a simple strategy. And there are lots of promotional method. One method is just email marketing, but other method is also SEO, social media marketing, and other lots of opportunities out there. So I can show you. See you guys. Thank you.